Hi, my name's Rena. I'm baking caramelized
You had an okay
carrots.
day.
So first, you put in the butter and oil.
You had an okay day.
And then you dump in the carrots. You can use all the carrots if you don't want to. You don't have to. And now you put in the seasoning.
You did not have a good day. You did not have a good day. You did not have a good day. Mommy, I just had an okay day.
We have black pepper.
You had an okay day.
Ooh,
I just had
lucky
an okay
pepper.
day. Now, probably you had
Nice.
an okay day.
And then brown sugar. Hey, why won't you come out? Come on out.
Yeah, probably you
Yeah,
had an
friend.
okay day.
It just came out of the splash. And then take this.
My money. How's Martha's day?
Smear brown
Daddy,
sugar
how's
all
Martha's day?
over. You could put a little more
Daddy, Martha had a great
of
day.
I think I need to put a little more of these
Oh, Daddy,
seasonings.
Martha had a great day.
A little more of this.
How's my day?
Sorry. A
Okay.
little more of that.
Probably you had an okay day. Probably you had an
That looks
okay
good.
day. You
And
had an
mix it
okay
up.
day.
So the flavors are scattered.
You had an okay day.
And the butter's melting. See that over here? Here.
Probably you had an okay day.
And then make sure you calm down the popping, because if the popping goes out of the pan, it might make your dish taste a little more yuck
Yeah, I had an okay day.
than you thought it would.
Daddy, I had an okay day.
Soak down in the water, my butter.